Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you on how to edit a live stream thumbnail on Canva. So let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is to log into your Canva account, and if you don't have, simply navigate to canva.com and create your free version. So to create a live stream thumbnail, I'll navigate into my search area and I will type in live stream thumbnail. I'll press on enter, and from the flyout menu, I will select one that suits my needs. In this case, I'll just select a random live streaming. Canva will give me all the available options within that search. And in this case, depending on the social media or the platform you like to use your thumbnail, this is where you choose from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, among others. In this case, I'll want this to be a live stream or probably a radio show. So I'll choose this option. You can also choose any option that you feel is comfortable depending on your brand. I'll select that. And from the flyout menu again, I'll select customize this template. Canva will then open the template in design mode, allowing you to edit it to suit your needs. If you feel that this template is not what you're looking for, we still have the templates option, and you can search for any that you feel is right for you, or even by typing here and searching for one that fits. I find this to be a template that I'll want to use. So in this case, notice I can change and edit all the elements, and by hovering my pointer, you can tell they are independent elements. Assuming you want to change this photo to a photo of my choice, I'll navigate into the upload option, and I have various aspects on how I can bring a photo into the Canva. I can upload it from my computer or use the different tools that are made available. I had already uploaded some of the photos I've been using in some of my videos, and in this case, this is the photo I'd like to use and replace the photo that is in here. The easiest way is to click drag and bring it into that space, and there we go. I can also decide to change the different text options that are available here. If I don't want these particular dates, by double clicking, I have the ability to change that date and all the address information to fit what is in my choice. I can also change the font style, the font size, the font color, and do other customizations to make my font look awesome. Notice that I can also click on the title area and include a title of my choice. Once this is done, the next thing I'll want to do so I can use it in my platform, I'll navigate into the share option and download this. I'll select download, and from the options available, I'll pick the PNG and I'll click on download. Once the download is complete, you can now upload this thumbnail into your social media platform of your choice. There we have it, folks. You can now edit a live stream thumbnail free on Canva. If you like this video, hit on that subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you in the next nugget.